I'm telling you all these things because you read books and they may be useful to you. I tell you honestly, I should not have lived another day if he had wounded himself fatally. Yet I'm courageous. I have decided to tear this love of mine out of my heart by the roots. By Marin Medvedenko. If you knew what it is to love without hope for years and years, to wait forever for something that will never come. I shall not marry for love, but marriage will at least be a change and will bring new cares to deaden the memories of the past. Shall we have another drink? Don't look at me with that expression on your face. Women drink oftener than you imagined. But most of them do it in secret, and not openly as I do. They do indeed. And it is always either vodka or brandy. You're so easy to get on with that I'm sorry to say go. The school teacher of mine is none too clever, but he's a very good poor man and he loves me dearly. And I'm sorry for him. However, let me say goodbye. Remember me kindly in your thoughts. Thanks for your goodwill. And send me your books. Be sure to write something in them. Nothing formal, but simply this. To Masha, who, forgetful of her origin, for some unknown reason is living in this world. Goodbye. Hopeless love is only found in novels. It is a trifle. All one has to do is to keep a tight rein on oneself and keep one's head clear. Love must be plucked out the moment it springs up in the heart. I shall tear my passion out by the roots.